Good morning, dear students of first year BA, BSc, and BCom, semester 2. I am Dr. Ravi Shukla, Head, Department of Foundation Course. I am here today to discuss your semester 2 and regular project activity. As you are aware that in foundation course, you have 75 marks for your theory paper and 25 marks for your internal projects. The 25 marks are divided into 20 plus 5. 20 marks are given for your research activity, project, assignments, etc. And 5 marks are given for the activities and active participation in class and class activities. Maybe seminars, interactions, participation in festivals, visits, etc. For this semester, we are taking out the notice today, and you have to submit your project on or before 10th of April. Now, there are 6 topics, and out of these 6 topics, every student will have to select one topic only and prepare an individual project. What are the topics? First topic is a study of public perception towards electric vehicles in Mumbai. We are aware about the energy crisis, high demand of energy, increasing fuel prices, and in the light of this, now electric vehicles are seen as an alternative to deal with the problem of pollution as well as fuel hike. So in this project, you have to study a bit about transportation system in Mumbai, traffic and pollution problem in Mumbai, mainly air pollution. And then you will have to discuss about the electric vehicles. What is electric vehicle? How does it operates? Its cost, government approvals and permissions related to electric vehicles. This will be the theoretical part of your project, and then you are required to prepare at least 10 questions in a structured manner, like you have a multiple choice question with 4 options. The question should be related to public awareness about electric vehicles, its usefulness, the practical problems that may arise due to electric vehicles, issues of charging points, issues of accidental breakdown, how to keep the vehicles charged during monsoon season, winter season, how to save these batteries from flood, batteries and charging points. So these can be the questions you can prepare on Google Documents, and generate a link and conduct a survey amongst maximum people you can reach. Try to reach at least 100 people, but minimum 50 would be a good data. This is about topic number 1. Topic number 2 is awareness about corporate farming amongst people in Mumbai. So in Mumbai, we buy our groceries, fruits, vegetables, eatables from shops, shopping malls, retailers, wholesaler, as per our convenience. But do we know who grows it? Yes, of course, we know farmers grow it. But we need to get little more of awareness about transition in agricultural sectors, changes that are taking place in agricultural sector. So in this, theoretically try to study and review the current situation of the farmers from financial angle, technological angle, from transportation angle, marketing angle, and then study the concept of corporate farming. What is corporate farming? How is it done? Its pros and cons. And then again, conduct a small survey, taking 5 to 10 questions in structured manner, multiple choice question type of thing, with 4 options in each, and try to get response from at least 100 people about awareness about corporate farming. Remember, your respondent should be from various age groups, various economic groups, and various socio-cultural groups, so that you can get a diverse opinion, you can get a wider understanding. Third topic is influence of lifestyle and increasing suicide tendency amongst youth. A study of problem and solutions. So lifestyle, changing lifestyle is bringing a lot of changes in the behavior and day-to-day living pattern of the youth. Sometimes it leads them to think about suicide. Maybe it may be failure, it may be dissatisfactions, it may be anger, anxiety, depression, or not able to cope up with any challenge. So you have to study this problem and again try to study solutions as well. There are many people who have studied this problem earlier and they have come out with suggestion. You can study their suggestions also. And again, in this also you can prepare a questionnaire and conduct a survey amongst the youth from age group of 15 to 30. That should be the age bracket you should survey. Again, 50 to 100 response, minimum 50, maximum 100. More emphasis should be on solution part. How to deal with suicidal tendency amongst youth. Fourth topic is a study of problems faced by elderly people. You know, it is in our syllabus. Elderly people are very much a part of our society. After growing old, after aging, they face several health issues, financial issues, security issues, social problems, emotional problems. So you have to study the problems that they face. You have to study the laws made by Government of India. You have to study the human rights of elderly people and make a project and try to conduct a survey again with a questionnaire which can cover 50 to 100 people. In this, you can ask about problems faced by elderly people. You can ask about the laws that are there to protect elderly people and whether they are aware of it or not. You can conduct a survey with NGOs working for the elderly people, so on and so forth. Fifth topic is a study of positive and negative impact of social media on youth. Social media is both a boon and bane. It's up to us how you handle it. If you have learned well the utilities about the utilities of social media, various social media platforms, you can gain a lot. It can be a matter of growth, profit, knowledge for you. But on the other hand, it may also lead to various problems like social media addictions, wastage of time, or retrieving from the active social life and getting more engaged into mobile phone and social media. So study its theoretical aspect, conduct a survey and prepare a report. The last topic is, sixth is a study of problem faced by local train commuters in Mumbai. So nearly half of the Mumbai and people in MMR region are dependent upon the local train transportation. We know how overcrowded it is, how congested it is. So local trains have its pros and cons. Practically Mumbai city depends upon local trains. If local train stops, the city comes to a standstill. So we have to study the local train, the transportation facilities in Mumbai, particularly local trains. How does it operate, its efficiency, its utility, the problems that passengers face in their day-to-day life, the travelers of local train. Be it problem of overcrowding, be it problem of ticketing, be it problem of time management, anything. So again, you can conduct a survey between at least 100 people, because here 50 would be a very small number, and getting 100 local commuters is not a difficult task, and that too for an online survey. So these are the 6 topics. Survey will be purely online. If you make a Google questionnaire, you get it approved by your teacher, or you can send it to me also for approval and necessary guidance. And then after survey is over, we can generate pie chart or diagrams, which is automatically done by Google, and then paste it in your report and interpret the data. See, survey is not enough. You have to analyze the data collected through survey. You have to give its interpretation. What does it mean? If 5 people out of 7 say local train is not necessary, then you have to write down. You don't just have to show the figure. You have to explain the figure. So in every project you will have to explain the data, the figure that you have collected. For successful completion of project, I advise that listen to the videos related to research methodologies that I have already uploaded in YouTube channel. Also, you can read about research methodology, how to conduct survey, how to make questionnaire on Google. It is very much available in various websites, and it should be taken as a serious academic exercise. How to do it? How to prepare a project? You have to prepare a project ranging from 15 to 20 pages. Type it in Times New Roman version with 12 font size and justified text. If you see on top of the Word page, you will see left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justified alignment. And even sometimes you can do Control A and Control J on keyboard and it's done. So justified alignment has to be there. The headings and important things can be in bold font and 14 size. Heading should be in 14 size. The sources of reference and list of material that you study, the books, newspaper, websites, magazines, whatever you read or refer for your study has to be mentioned properly. For this also, again, I advise you to read on Google how to prepare a reference list, pattern of reference list. Then after completion of your project, type your project well. The first page of your project in Word file should contain your hall ticket of this semester. If the college has issued you a hall ticket, you can paste a soft copy of it on as the first page of your project. Then second page of your project will carry your title, your name, your roll number, division, class, name of your teacher, and bottom line will be of name of college, RD National, full name of the college. Second page should contain an acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, we basically thank the people who have helped us. We basically share a bit our experience, how you did this project. Then third page should be the list of index contents, serial number, title and page number, what is on which page. If there are pictures, diagrams, graphs that are pasted, mention that also appropriately. After completion of your project, writing conclusion, the next page should be of references. And after references, in the end, if you wish to attach any additional paper, information, document, which is not directly a part of project but which requires a review and study for a better and comprehensive understanding of the said topic. So this is how you are going to study it. Then convert your Word file into PDF. While saving the file, you get in your saving box, you get option, and over there you can select the option of PDF, save it. While saving PDF, give proper write your name and roll number first and then title, and then save it, so that when you send the PDF file, your name and roll number comes prominently. The email ID where to send the project will be given to you by your teachers, and the schedule for Viva or presentation will be announced separately by your class teachers. Now the teachers, who are the teachers to be contacted and where the project to be submitted. FY BCom A division will submit the project to Dr. Ravi Shukla, that's me. FY BA B division will submit the project to Professor Murli Rohra. Professor Murli Rohra is faculty in Department of Commerce, and after his teaching hours, he is mostly available in college office at ground floor. Then Mr. Suraj Kumar Pandey will be accepting the project of FY BSc, both A and B division, FY BA A division, and FY BCom B division. This is the entire schedule and guidance related to your project. Make your project accordingly. If you still have any doubt, try to solve it on Google, because things are available. But if it is not happening, then write email to your teacher. Don't just send an WhatsApp message, because sometimes it is not read. Try to write email to your teacher and they will answer your query. Make your project. This is an opportunity to inculcate research values, learn research skills and research methods for you. Thank you very much.